I wiggled my toes in the sun.
Wow.
One sand, it tickled so much. I giggled and planned. Looked like the castle big and tall. But oops, the waves knocked it all. I found a shell pink and round, held it close and spun around. Hello, hello, I said with a cheer, but all I heard was the ocean near. The waves came close and kissed my feet, so cold, so bubbly,
Wow.
and so sweet. I jumped and splashed with a big loud laugh as the water made a bubbly path. A bird flew low, it made me stare. It swirled and swirled up in the air. Come down, I said, play with me. But off it soared, happy and free. I saw a boat way out at sea. Where's it going? Wait for me. I waved and waved with all
Wow.
my